Hi everyone, EDT530 Digital Media Production and Storytelling. This is our fourth module. The agenda for this module: questions, introductory video feedback, office hours on Wednesday, need your Google Plus address, your URL. I have a reading assignment for you in the AFI handbook. And then your task this week, the big project, is the door scene. And then we will review the tasks at the end. Okay, so if you have any questions, email me. Stop by during my office hours on Wednesday. We did have one person show up on Wednesday, so Kelly, you win a prize. Not sure what that prize is, but you came to office hours on Wednesday. The feedback on the video, I emailed that to you. If you would like a do-over, so if you want to revise your video and resubmit it, I will accept that, and I will regrade your project. So if you're going to do that, just shoot me an email letting me know that you're redoing that, and you can send me the link to your YouTube video. Again, office hours on Wednesday. And as a way to looking into the future and what we might need as the semester moves on, we might have some opportunities to have a Google Plus Hangout or Hangouts. So it would be beneficial if I had your Google Plus address. So this is where you find that. So in your browser, when you go to Google Plus, full screen on this. When you're in the Google Plus page, this is your feed. So this is like Facebook. This is all the stuff, like your news feed. But when you click on your profile picture, it takes you to your profile, and then across the top right here, this is your URL. So if you would please copy that, and then we're going to create a new discussion board for you on D2L, and I would like you to post the address of your Google Plus page. And what I'll do is I'll create a circle for EDT530, and then I will invite you to a hangout or a community. Okay, so look for that in the future, but I would like that URL if you would. Okay, next thing. All right, so let's move into the big stuff. The AFI handbook, which you have on D2L, I'd like you to read pages 10 through 22, and that's going to walk you through an activity called the door scene. We're going to do a part of that, but it's going to be a modified version of that, based on it being an online course and you don't have access to each other readily available. So you're going to do it by yourself individually. You can have other people help you with it if you want, and you're going to do the door scene in still pictures. So based on page 17 of the door scene. So you're going to, again, read 10 through 22, but when you get to page 17, you'll see that we're going to step through this one, step one of the door scene. So introduction to visual storytelling. So you're going to follow this scenario right here. A person is about to open the door. The person hears a sound and becomes mildly concerned. The person finds the door locked and searches for his or her keys. The person hears the sound again and becomes visibly apprehensive. And then your goal is to build the tension and growing panic. We're going to do that with still images. The film closes and the person finally opening the door and getting to the other side safely. You're going to do that, and you're going to create a 90-second version of that. And again, using still images and no sound. You're going to assemble the project using any video or slideware or slideshow tool, for example, iMovie, Movie Maker, Photo Story, or PowerPoint. Make the slideshow run automatically in a manner that establishes the right pacing, so you're building that tension. And then 90 seconds maximum, using a variety of shot composition and angles from what we're reading about in our books and in the AFI handbook. Okay, so unlike the AFI directions, you may use more than one actor and shoot from more than 5 feet from the door. So it'll give you a little more creative freedom as you work through this project. If you want some examples of door scene videos, you can Google that, and search for them on YouTube. There are a ton of examples. It's a great activity, an activity that I do in a lot of my classes. Again, so here are our tasks. Google Plus URL, read the OLA, your book, chapter 3. Read the AFI handbook, pages 10 through 22. But your project's going to be really focused on page 17. Post your door scene by Sunday. So I'm going to give you a little bit longer. A few of you were panicked about getting your introductory video done in time. So I'm going to give you the full 7 days now to get this video created and posted. So once you post that URL by Sunday, next week we're going to critique the videos, and we're going to use the rubric that's on D2L for you based on this assignment.